Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rudie Rosa and today I'm here with a Kurt Geiger and Carvela unboxing. So if this is your type of video, please keep on watching and let's get in. Long time no see. I've still been shopping. I just haven't been showing you guys what I've been picking up, but I am now back to show you guys what I have been picking up, what I've been buying, because you guys know I love shopping. Shopping loves me. We go together real bad. I have picked up some stuff from my favorite shop, my favorite brand, and I thought I'd show you guys. So, first things first is some shoes, and this is actually by the brand Carvela. Where I am from, it is literally located across from Kurt Geiger itself, but I bought these online. I had this type of trainer a few years ago in 2 different colors, and they came out with one of the colors I love wearing all year long. It's a different shoe, it's a piece of art, and it's just something you don't see every day. So yeah, so I actually bought these online. I bought them in a size 8 just because I wanted to have them. They sold out so quick. Today I actually went back into the shop to exchange, and luckily they had 2 size 7s left, so I just feel like it was meant to be. These are the Carvela Tempo sneakers by Carvela. It is in like a suede material. I picked them up in a size 7 and they just look so cute on your feet. Dress them up, dress them down, gym wear, leggings, pair of jeans. What's a trainer you don't really see about. So just around here is all suede. Then the material here is mesh. And then in the flower detailing, it is sequins. And it's a very comfortable, stylish runner, and I love that. So yeah, Tempo flower trainer. It's in fabric and suede. I got mine in a size 7. They also come in a khaki green with like crystal embellishments now. Also all white and a blue one with silver crystals on top. I've been trying to get my hands on the khaki, but can't find them in store anywhere, and the sizes online are just out of stock in all sizes. I think the only size you really see is the size 3, and they've discounted it now. So these were originally £149, and today when I exchanged them, the lady said that they went down to £49. So yeah. So the next one I picked up today, this was literally the last one on the shelf. It didn't even come with the regular gift box, but I got it in the dust bag. And Kurt Geiger has changed up the gift bags, so it's in like a nice satin material, and then on the side of the string you actually have the eagle that I love so much. Kurt Geiger bags and shoes, the whole brand all together, it's just different, unique designs, different pieces. I love the way they put them together, different shapes, different sizes, and just yeah, to me they're just unique. So I'm into mini bags right now. I got this in the sale, and this is part of the Chelsea collection. I believe this is called the Chelsea saddle bag, if I'm not mistaken. So this is an all black look. It's just a cute little small bag, all black everything. I love that. So you have the eagle head in black crystals this time with some embellishments, and then you have Kurt Geiger London just at the bottom. I don't know what I'm gonna fit in here really. Some cards, lip gloss. I'll be lucky if I can fit my car keys in here really. This is a magnetic basin. Inside it says the Chelsea, because it's part of the Chelsea collection, and that's literally what you can fit in there. And on the back you have a little pocket where you can stash cards, paper, money, your notes, change. So this is in an oval trim shape, and it is an across body bag. Crossbody. I think I will actually change it into a waist bag just like that, just double knot it. Yeah, last but not least, I picked up another bag, same as the last one, in the satin dust bag. And this one, it actually shocked me. Even though it says nano in the name, the size of it, I was just not expecting it. So this is the, I think, long nano Shoreditch bag in a velvet material. It's like a green color, a nice velvet green. This is more of a like date night type clutch bag. It does come with the extended chain, which I feel like I will be wearing. Just another bag with no space at all. So it has the eagle head in brass, gold hardware, magnetic clothes. Majority of them are magnetic clothes. And just opening it up, there's literally nothing. But I just like the way it looked. It's different. I always like to pick something different in my collection, and that's what Kurt Geiger is all about. And really, the authenticity card here. Inside, this one says the Shoreditch. And on the back, there is another flap to put your cards in. So that's all you can really carry here. And then this chain's actually quite cool. So you have on the chain, you have like a eagle extender thing, like an extender button, so you can make your chain long or short. This is actually quite cool because you can wear it as like a crossbody, or you can wear it over your shoulder. I will show you guys. Right, so just little hooks on either side. It's easier if you open the bag first though. So cute little side moment, or I can extend it across body. So I've literally brought one bag to wear 3 different ways. I love that, and I'll definitely be wearing this summertime. Or just a cute little bag to just throw on when I'm going shopping. And I just, you know, don't really need too much things to go with me. Got my cards, my lip gloss in there, got my phone in my hand. Cute little date night bag. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.